Hello, I am Hassan and I am setting up the setup for the basic for WordPress websites. How to make your WordPress websites on local host using WAMP server on our Windows 10 machine, and we will learn basics of the WordPress website. How can we make websites? If you are complete beginners, this channel is good for you to learn the basic of the WordPress websites, and I will teach you how you can make your WordPress websites on various topics like landing pages, business websites, learning management system, portfolio management, and many more topics. Any topics you like to make your website, you can make by using the plugins on the wordpress.org. So let's see what are the main steps. Number one, uh, first of all, setting up a WordPress website on a Windows 10 PC using the WAMP server, Apache MySQL, PHP is a straightforward process. So these basic steps to get your website set up and running. Number one setup is install your WAMP server. So you go to this site, http colon www.wampserver.com, and just download the WAMP server and install in your default drive like C, because you are a beginner, so don't change your drive, just click, and as this setup guide you, just click, and step number 2 is start your WAMP server. So you can watch any YouTube video for installation of the WAMP server. It is easy. If you face any difficulty, you can ask in the comments. I will guide you how to download your WAMP server. This is not a big issue. You can easily download your WAMP server and set up. If you feel any difficulty, you can send me email or just comments in the comment box. So after installation, complete your installation of the web server, the icon will appear. So you will start the web server and create your MySQL database setup. So I have already downloaded. So after downloaded the WAMP server, you can see this icon. This is the WAMP server. So just click this, and it is saying the WAMP server. Do you want to allow this app to make the changes to your device? Verified, and you can click yes, and it says that WAMP server 64-bit start services. So we wait little bit, and it is starting. You can see it is turning red and then green, yellow and then green. It has 3 colors. So when it turned green, this means that your WAMP server is running okay. So now you can see that this is green. So we click this, and we can see here the local host, and we click php my admin. So here we will make our database of our website. So here you just leave it as it is, because the username is root and the password is blank. You don't need to put any password here. Just click login, and after login you will see this interface, and you can see this is my php my admin MySQL database, and these are the databases I have already made for my websites. So we will create a new here. Just click new, and here this is asking the database name, so we will give here the DB123 database 123. This is the name of our database for our first website, and just click create. So remember, the database name is database 123. So this name, we cannot take this name, we have to change this, because this name is already exist here. So ABC123, we have to change our name because this database is already existing, database 123. So we change database 1 to DBC123. So we create. Now it has created our database here. So we minimize this window, and now we go to our next. This write-up I will share in the comment box. You can download or save. And first of all, we will go to step number. After the setup of the web server and database creation, we will download the WordPress from this website, wordpress.org, and I have already downloaded this on my machine. So here is downloaded. You can see this. So just copy this from here, and you go to where you have downloaded your web server. So I have downloaded in my local disk E. So here is the web server. Yes, here is the web server folder. In if you are downloading in your drive C, so you will check your web server in C drive. So I have already downloaded here web server 64. So just double click this and go to the www directory, and here make your folder or whatever you like to make your website. So I will make my website name is website 123, website 123, and this is the folder name and also my WordPress website name. So I will open this and I will paste my WordPress from I have already copied, and here you just extract here, extracting the file. So we wait, and it is extracted, and you see the WordPress folder already appeared. And just double click, and by selecting all the files from here, just copy and go back to your folder website 123 and paste all the files inside the WordPress. Very simple. And now just delete this folder. We don't need this folder, and also this zip file, also delete this zip file. So now we have our website name, website 123, which is the folder name also, and our database name is dbc123. So we will go to the Internet Explorer and just write local host / and your website name 123 and just hit the enter and wait. It is connecting the local host. So here this screen is appeared, so you can make your website in various languages like English and other languages. Any language you can make your website. So since we are making our website in English, so I will select the default language and press continue. And here you can see the message, welcome to the WordPress. Before getting started, you will need to know the following items. Number one, database name. We have database name, which is dbc123, and database username, and your database username is root, and the database password is blank. Database host is your local host, and we have created our database and we have already table prefix. So let's go. So here we will write our database name dbc123 and our username is root and password is blank. Database host is localhost, and you submit and run the installation. So here you can write your website title also. If you want to change, you don't want to change, so you can write here as our folder name. You can write another name as you like. So here you can choose the admin username for your admin panel. I choose my admin panel username is as admin, and I also choose my password here. So password strength is medium, it's okay, no problem. And I will write here my email address, yahoo @ my friend @ yahoo.com. So just install your WordPress. Click install your WordPress. So WordPress has been installed. Thank you for, and your username is admin, and you can log in. So I have already saved my password and login, so just click login. So here you can see you have established your WordPress website dashboard. So here you can see the welcome message, and we are about to start our customization. And here you can see you can visit your website. So this is the basic page of your website. So if you go to the dashboard, you can see different folders on your left side, like post, media, pages, comments, appearance or themes. We have different themes. You can select any new themes. Right now we have 3 themes. You can add your themes from here, or you can select your current theme, already available themes. Some themes are paid and some are free to use, and from here you can add any functionality. For functionality we use the plugin. From plugin, we if you want to add new plugin, you can add from here. Just click and you can select any plugin. There are various plugin, paid and free also. So these are our plugins. So this is the basics of basic setup of our WordPress website. So in the next tutorial we will install our theme and our plugin for our various website functionality. So keep watching my channel WordPress Wiz and learn your WordPress skills for your earning.